Hey folks, just a little start on the chassis for my land barge, which is going to be this Plymouth Belvedere. Nice big, these are 1/25th scale cars, and I'm sure you know what it is for HRW Home Racing World's Challenge Series. It's pretty basic, square rails like I like, so I'm going to be soldering in the motor mount back here. I've got everything aligned where I want it. Let's see, a couple more pins in here just to keep everything happy. So that should be perfect. Clamp this down, it's just holding these rails nice and flat because I tend to move things by accident. I've sanded and cleaned up all my joints, put a little flux on there. Soldering iron should be good to go. The center bar here is a pivot for a drop arm that I'm going to create for the front there. And let's see how it works. That's not really tight, so move that out of the way. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Zing. Yeah. Rotate it a little. If you're wondering, I have it sitting up on a small 2x4 so the clamps don't bottom out, and just everything's staying in one spot. Oops. I've been putting more solder in than I need to, but more is more, right? Alright, well, there's a start. And I can see by the ends, you can't see it, but I can see on the ends it's penetrated nice right down to the bottom. My bracket is sitting flat. And the next thing I'll do, I'm going to put, instead of doing the tube method, I'm going to be mounting the bushings solid to the bracket. And these are 1/4 inch outside diameter for the 3/32 axles, so you actually have to drill that hole out a little bit. A spare bracket here with a 1/4 inch drill, and then actually relieve it a little bit with a file to get it to fit nicely. And then after I do that, put a little cross brace up the front here, which will hold my axle tube off at the height that it'll make it perfectly aligned with the front and the back, and that'll pretty much be it. Nice, simple, solid, basic, non-flexible chassis with a drop arm, which I haven't figured 100% out. This here is not soldered in. I put it there just to space it out because it's 1 inch, the same as the back bracket. So well, for now, there you go. I'll solder these things in. I gotta set them up. It takes too long to get it right while yakking here, so there we go. Till next time, I'll probably have a few more things done.